Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best pressure cookers. After doing research, I found these pressure cookers that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Instant Pot IP Duo 60 7-in-1 multifunctional pressure cooker, 6-quart 1000 watts. If you're one of those people who is very picky and want everything to work with just the press of a button, you must get a fully programmable pressure cooker. This pot is designed to cook foods up to 2 to 6 times faster. This saves up to 70% energy usage. Complete functions with the 7-in-1 multifunction cooker. It is one of the most important benefits of this device. This pressure cooker comes with a vast array of functions, so you are able to cook any dish easily. For example, meat, chicken, potatoes, yams, fish, vegetables, pork, soup, stew, desserts, beans, grains, and many other products. Easy-to-use control panel with 14 built-in smart programs. UL and ULC certified with 10 proven safety mechanisms, and much more. Made of stainless steel, Instant Pot Duo 60 provides you with a quick and easy way to cook healthy meals. Simply load the ingredients in the pot, cover it, and begin cooking. Being a powerful pressure cooker, it reduces cooking time by up to 70%. And the best part is, none of the important water-soluble vitamins and minerals are lost. As for safety, the product has passed the strict UL and ULC certifications that will ensure every user a peace of mind when cooking. The removable non-stick stainless steel pot, sealing ring, and anti-block shield are all dishwasher safe, as are the accompanying rack, rice paddle, soup spoon, and measuring cup. A handy recipe book comes with this wonderful pressure cooker. Instant Pot IP Lux 60 6-in-1 programmable pressure cooker, 6-quart 1000 watts. If you compare the Instant Pot names, Duo 60 and Lux 60, you already might have the idea that there is not much difference between the two devices. In fact, they are quite similar from the design and the controls, the features, and even the cooking capacity. With all the similarities, there is one small minor difference which causes the price difference from $99.95 to $119.95. Prices may vary on Amazon.com. And its build quality. The display of the Duo 60 is increased by 30% compared with Lux 60, using the 14 built-in smart programs compared with the 10 of the Lux 60. The pressure sensor is improved, Duo 60 doubled compared to Lux 60, and some new safety features. What makes the Lux 60 the best pressure cooker is also what makes the Duo 60 great as well. However, if the Duo 60 is too expensive for your budget, then the Lux 60 is a perfect alternative. It is a powerful, multifunction, 6-in-1 multifunctional cooker with 10 built-in smart programs. And it comes with a very reasonable price. Save money by purchasing the Instant Pot IP Lux 60. As seen on TV, PPC Power Pressure Cooker Extra Large Silver. This is a perfect device for those who want to cook your favorite dishes easily. With an extra large size, multiple functions, and of course 70% faster cooking compared with traditional cookware, this pressure cooker allows you to cook delicious and healthy meals in your daily life quickly. Its flavor infusion technology is a special feature added to this pressure cooker to maintain all the aroma, taste, and flavors of your dishes. You'll be impressed with the aroma of any dish when using this pressure cooker. PPC Power Pressure Cooker has enough capacity to hold 4-pint jars, making it ideal for canning vegetables, fruits, and other edibles. The automatic Keep Warm mode preserves your food for a long time, and its stainless steel housing ensures that the heat never escapes your food. It's very easy to care for and maintain the quality of this pressure cooker. Simply wipe clean the stainless steel housing. With all these high-end features, this sturdy and durable pressure cooker is available for around $80.